something strange is happening inside venture capital and almost nobody is talking about it. The rules that built billion-dollar empires are quietly breaking right in front of us. Startups are no longer playing the same game and investors are starting to lose control. What once required millions now costs almost nothing. What took years now happens in weeks. One person can now build entire companies without asking anyone for permission or funding. And the people who used to control everything are suddenly struggling to keep their edge. Because a new force has entered the system and it is changing everything from the inside. This is not just another tech trend. It is a complete rewrite of how startups work. Who gets funded is changing fast. How companies grow is being reinvented. And the biggest opportunity of the decade is hiding in plain sight right now. If you understand this shift early, you gain an advantage most people will miss. But if you ignore what is happening, you may fall behind faster than you think. Because generative AI is not the future, it is already reshaping the game today. For decades, venture capital followed predictable patterns. Find founders early and bet on their vision, provide capital and wait for exponential growth. Win big or lose everything in the process. But now, something fundamental has shifted. The entire system is being reshaped from within. Venture capital once relied on information asymmetry. Investors had access, others simply did not. They saw deals earlier than the public. They understood markets before founders did. But generative AI is flattening that advantage. Information is now accessible to almost everyone. Founders can research markets instantly. They can validate ideas in a single day. The gap between investor and entrepreneur is shrinking faster than ever before. In the past, building a company required teams, engineers, designers, marketers, and operations experts. Now, one person can build an entire product using generative AI tools and automation. Code can be written in minutes, designs generated in seconds, marketing campaigns launched with minimal effort, customer support handled by AI agents. This changes the economics of startups completely. Lower costs mean less need for venture funding. Startups used to depend heavily on funding rounds, seed Series A, Series B, and beyond. Each round meant dilution and investor control, but also survival in a competitive market. Now, startups can stay lean for longer. They can generate revenue earlier. They can experiment without burning millions and grow without constant external funding. This creates a new kind of founder, more independent, more efficient, more resilient. A new category of startups is emerging. Companies built entirely around generative AI. These businesses scale faster than traditional startups. They require fewer employees and less infrastructure. Their products evolve in real time, learning directly from user interaction. This creates a different growth curve, faster launches, but also faster competition. Investors must rethink how they evaluate potential. Old metrics no longer capture true value. Generative AI is not just opportunity, it introduces entirely new risks as well. Barriers to entry are dramatically lower, which means competition is everywhere. Ideas can be copied almost instantly. Differentiation becomes harder than ever. At the same time, power is shifting from institutions to individuals and small teams. The winners will not just be funded, they will be those who adapt fastest. This is not the end of a venture capital, but it is the end of how it used to work. The future belongs to those who understand how to leverage AI rather than fight it. Investors must become more than capital providers. They must offer insight networks and real value. Founders must think differently about growth and build smarter, not just bigger. Because in this new world, speed and intelligence define success. The next generation of startups is already here quietly building in the background, and most people have not noticed yet. The shift is happening in real time. The question is not whether it will happen, The question is whether you are ready. If you found this video insightful, like the video, subscribe for more deep dive financial content, and comment below.